Hey guys, happy Monday. Today is February the 9th. Hope you guys had a great weekend. So anyway, went out this morning, did a consultation in Stone Mountain. It's going to be a full sanding. Her floors are at the point of no return where they cannot be screened or recoated because they were a pre-finished floor, factory finished floor, but they can be sanded. So we did give her a quote to sand the floor and also the steel thread. So we're out here. We have a busy week. I'm only working Monday through Friday. I just booked the second job for Wednesday. It is a marble bathroom vanity. The guy found me online. He's putting the house on the market and he wants to get the countertops in the bathrooms looking better because they are worn. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is a little bit of this and a little bit of that. This is one of my repeat clients that used me years ago, Mr. Rush. He's also putting his house on the market, and he said, Courtney, I just want to spruce up the floors and also do the countertops. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing today. All right, guys, so we're out here in Statham, Georgia. Also, too, my small van will be ready Wednesday, so I'm getting that wrapped as well so it can match my big van. So what we're going to be doing here, guys, is we're going to be cleaning the tile floors. If you look close, you see a lot of residue on the tile. Okay, also gonna go ahead and hit these stairs right here, make those look better, screen and recoat those. We're also going to do this tile right here. We're also going to just clean and buff and put down a wear layer protection on these floors right here, and then these kitchen countertops right here. This is granite. All right, now we'll say right here, guys, granite. Right here you see those stains that's penetrated through the stone. There's nothing I can do about that. Anytime you have this in granite, it will either need to be fully grinded down or either replaced. So, but we still want to go ahead and clean them and just make them look better. I guess they feel really gritty, and over here as well. All right, guys, we're going to get started. Stay tuned.
Statham, Georgia. Back where the trust already lives. They called us back, said, yeah, we remember you. Years went by, but the floor still knew the truth. Same house, same love, same respect. When you do it right, they never forget. We ain't new faces, not a deja vu. They seen the work once, had to see it renewed. Toward a calm, no rush, no scene, just straight clean magic, make it look brand new again. Hardwood clean and bring the grain back alive. With tile and grout growing, years looking revived. Granite countertops polished, seal so smooth, no shortcuts, just get it. Truman groove, we ain't here to coat it, ain't here to cure, just clean it right. Keep it solid and pure, from the floor to the stone, let the whole house sing. Statham shine different when Truman touch everything. Hardwood floors breathing, cause it's back in place. Years of life lifted right up off the face. Tile and grout telling stories from before. Now they bright again, clean lines on the floor. Granite top shimmer when the light hits slow. Clean polish, seal, yeah, they ready to blow. Kitchen feel rich, bathroom feel fresh. That quiet kind of luxury, not loud, just blessed. Repeat client energy, that's earned, not bought. That's word of mouth power, lessons well taught. When they call you back, that mean you did it right. Trust sealed tight like stone on a late night. Hardwood clean and bring the grain back alive. Tile and grout blowing, yes, looking revived. Granite countertops polished, seal so smooth, no shortcuts, just get Truman groove. We ain't here to go, they ain't here to cure, just clean it right. Keep it solid and pure, from the floor to the stone, let the whole house sing. Statham shine different when Truman touch everything. Yeah, no UV lights, no heavy machines, just real hands, real skill, real clean. Years later they call, that say everything. Truman pull up, let the whole house gleam. Statham, Georgia, we never left, we just came back better.
What's his name? Yeah, you can step on it. And we also did those stairs for you as well.
I appreciate that, man. We need that.
Yep.
All right. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Sir.
You got the countertops done as well.
Check the countertop.
Yep. Yes, sir. You can see the reflection now.
Yep.
Nice. All right, guys, that is going to do it. Everything came out great. Tomorrow, screen a recoat in Atlanta, 2 consultations. See you in the next one.